everybody, and a warm welcome back to MapleLeafCustoms in Switzerland. I'm Andrew, and on the bench today is a parcel all the way from my home country of Canada that comes from friend of the channel, Ardy's Diecast Workshop. He said he wanted to send me a box full of cars, mostly older. He said they can be for spare parts or for restorations, and he'd be thrilled to know that some of the finished restorations end up in my local Goodwill shop. He likes that part of the channel. Let's see what's first out of the box. It's a nice little blue and white helicopter. Tail rotor's gonna need some fixing up. It's a Corgi Juniors. I can use that in any number of different ways, as a backdrop or on a Gaslands build, so that's a good start. Here's a Matchbox Superfast Fire Chief. Now that's a classic casting. This one is in pristine condition. Here comes another Matchbox. This one's called the Stretch-a-Fetcha. With some blue glass, looks like the back door's missing. There's some kind of ambulance vehicle. Again, lots of ideas. Here's Ardy's Instagram page, and I've left a link in the description so you can look him up and become a new follower and a friend, just like I have. This is the Blaze Buster, also a Matchbox Superfast, with a ladder. That looks to be complete, and also in very good condition. A bulldozer. It's the big bull. I'll need a set of treads to go on that. Sometimes you gotta improvise with these, and I like to do that. It's a fun part of the hobby. A Matchbox Elvis Stalwart. It's got a BP livery on it. Interesting looking vehicle, isn't it? I'm always thinking ahead, what can I do with this? I already got a few ideas. Ardy's big into Matchbox Superfast castings. This is a Citroën SM, very popular over here in France, right across the border from me. Opening doors. There's a trailer hitch on there. Bright yellow interior, but I like that blue paint job. An AMX Javelin. I remember when these were roaming the streets, don't you? Another set of opening doors. Cool. Big hood scoop on that one. Now this is a forklift. I've already done a restoration on one of these, but I had to do extensive repairs on the forks themselves. Moves up and down, tilts front and back. That would look good in a warehouse diorama or in a garage. Very cool. And a nice little truck. This one's a Dodge Dakota by Matchbox. There's some meaty wheels on there. Intact. Glass looks good too. This is the Matchbox dump truck. Not the most ingenious name, but that's what it is, with the great big bed in the back. Not sure what scale that is, though. And there they all are. Thanks, Ardy. That was a really nice box full of goodies, and I appreciate you thinking of me and sending them over. And thank you for visiting my channel today. Drive carefully. It's coffee time.